To filter Bill.com API events, start by understanding the different types of events that are available. The Bill.com API provides a wide range of events, including invoice created, payment sent, and bill paid. Each event has its own set of properties, such as the event type, event date, and the ID of the associated object. Next, determine what you want to filter the events by. You can filter events by the event type, the date range, or the ID of the associated object. For example, you can filter all events of type invoice created, or all events that occurred within a specific date range. To filter events, you will need to use the Bill.com API query parameters. These parameters allow you to specify the criteria for the events you want to retrieve. For example, you can use the event_type parameter to filter events by type, or the start_date and end_date parameters to filter events by date range. Here is an example of how to filter all invoice-created events that occurred within a specific date range. You would use the following API query. Events? Event_type equals invoice_created and start_date equals the 1st of January 2022 and end_date equals the 31st of December 2022. Best practices for filtering Bill.com API events include using specific event types and date ranges to reduce the number of events returned, and using pagination to limit the number of events returned in each response. It is also important to handle errors and exceptions properly, such as when no events are found or when the API request fails. In addition, you can use the Bill.com API to filter events based on the properties of the associated object. For example, you can filter all invoice-created events for a specific customer, or all payments sent events for a specific vendor. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively filter Bill.com API events and retrieve the specific events you need for your application. This can help you to build more efficient and effective integrations with the Bill.com API, and to provide more value to your users.